What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. I'm back from vacation and I'm ready to hit the ground running, guys, and we're going to be talking about OccamFinance real quick. This is a quick update, guys, but before we get started, please make sure that you are aware I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Anything I say or do is not financial advice. Please make sure you're doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money, guys. Let's get right into it. And to do that, guys, we're going to talk about price first, and then I want to give you an update on the actual DEX of this, guys. But look at the price. We're way down here on an RSI, guys. You can see here down at 30, getting ready to bounce back up into oversold territory, guys. If we look at a Fibonacci retracement going from around middle of July until whatever top we hit here around $12, you can see, guys, we are way under the .618, which is usually a good buy-in zone here at the .618. But guys, that's where I like to buy in, and we are here, guys. Not to mention, look at the RSI. So in terms of pricing, in terms of timing, this is a good time to start looking at this. And the reason we want to hold OCC, guys, again, is because this is actually going to be a launchpad, or it is a launchpad. And if you want to start out at the bottom tier, 150 OCC to get CED credits, guys, check out my other video. It goes into details there, guys. But that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to touch on is the price. And guys, moving right along is the DEX portion of this. If you recall in the other video, guys, and again, if you haven't looked at it, watch it. But essentially, OccamFinance is going to be both a DEX as well as a decentralized exchange. And again, if you recall, IOHK is backing them. So essentially, they're an official decentralized exchange for Cardano. So imagine that all the projects building on Cardano are going to be listed on this DEX, guys, and this is essentially like getting into something like PancakeSwap or Uniswap at cents or at no cost, really, because the way that you are actually acquiring OCX tokens, the only way to obtain them before them going live is these four options here, and one would be to stake your OCC on the OccamFinance panel, and that would be here, guys. I am currently staking 4,000, so I know that I'm also going to be getting OCX for having staked this. The longer you stake, the more you get. The more you stake, the more you get. The other way of getting this, guys, is to providing liquidity. I'm not doing this, but you would also do that here on the panel, and you can see here at the top Uniswap liquidity mining. When I click that, it takes me down here, and here are my options. The current APY is 19.27%, but guys, when you're providing liquidity, it's actually going to pay out the most amount of OCX tokens because you are exposing yourself to impermanent loss. And if you don't know what that is, look it up. Impermanent loss, essentially, if you're providing liquidity, you're providing two tokens, and one of them could lose value, the other one could increase in value, and as a result, when you are essentially unstaking, you will have some kind of impermanent loss where one or the other token may have less tokens, but the value, the dollar value, should still equal. So essentially, guys, you can provide liquidity. That's going to yield you the most ECX tokens, OCX tokens, I apologize. And then the other option, guys, is to stake ADA in one of their staking pools. The staking pool is POCC, and there are different ways to stake. Your Yoroi wallet, YOROI, Daedalus wallet. It's spelled Daedalus, and that's one of the ways that I actually do it. And I'm gonna drag it over here, guys. You can see this is my Daedalus wallet, or one of them. And if I wanted to actually provide liquidity to this pool, this is not loaded yet, but essentially I would go and search this POCC pool in the Daedalus wallet, and then I would delegate my ADA to it, and then I would be acquiring OCX tokens over time. This is also a way of obtaining OCX tokens. Again, these are the only options, and then you can also hold ADA OCC in the ADA platform, and you can only do that through the BitTrue exchange currently. But just holding the OCC as ADA OCC, you actually will also receive an airdrop of OCX tokens, guys. Guys, this is a very key thing. I'm bringing this up to you because it all sort of works or aligns, guys. One, the price of OCC is currently down, as you saw here, guys. So we are at a good place to start dollar cost averaging into this, or maybe buy yourself enough to get into one of the staking pools that are dependent on how much you stake, maybe 150 tokens to start with, or something bigger if you've got the liquidity. But it's a good time to buy. And then two, you can at the same time, not only are you getting a return on your investment at buying in at a good spot here, low on the RSI, but you're also getting additional return on investment in taking advantage in these staking options. And obviously, if you're trying to take part of the IDOs, the best option would be to actually just stake OCC here, guys. So you can buy OCC at a good price. You can stake it to get yourself some OCX once OCX goes live. That's the update, guys. That's all I wanted to touch on. I've got another video coming up fresh after this one. So, guys, I hope you found this informative. I hope that you liked the video. If you do, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, guys. I will see you in the next video, which will literally be in a couple of minutes from now. All the best, guys. Peace. I am out.